Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to log into your Jackson County personal property tax login. For this guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in Jackson County personal property tax login and hit the search. Make sure it will take you to the official link payments.jacksongov.org. Click on that link. Now you'll be redirected to the official website of My Jackson County. Now at the top right of your screen you can see the login button. Just click on login button. Again you will be taken to the new interface, which is the login phase of My Jackson County. Now over here you just need to enter your email address. Similarly enter your password over here. If you want to see your password, just click on show button. Just click on remember me for further use. But I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. And once you click on login button, you will easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot password. Then you will be easily recover your password. If you don't have any account of My Jackson County, just click on create a new account. Either you can log in with your Apple account or your Facebook account or your Google account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below for more content like this, and remember to turn on the notification so you never miss the upload. See you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.